Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change the gift register address on Amazon. Whether you have moved to a new location or want gifts to be sent elsewhere, I'll guide you through the process. First of all, open your Amazon app. Make sure that you have already logged in. Once you have logged in, you can see account icon on the bottom left. Tap on it. This will open your account. Now you can see several options over here. From them, tap on list. This will open your gift registries and list. Tap on seal. Here I do have a gift registry called Hanso's Graduation Wishes. Let's tap on it. Once you are inside the gift registry, you can see several options just below the gift registry name. Like here's home, add gifts. Swipe it up to settings. And here's setting, tap on it. And from here you can update your new address. Scroll down until you see address. And here it is. Tap on drop down over here. And here you can see new address and fill all the information of new address, the country that you are living, your first name and last name, phone number, and other information about the location that you are living right now. After adding all the information, double check to ensure that it's correct. After updating an address, tap on add address and that's done. And now the changes in the address will be applied to the updates to your gift registry. This will ensure all the future gifts are sent to the new location or address. And that's how we can change the gift registry on Amazon. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.